now today we will do, in the last class we had done what are redox reactions and what are oxidation and reduction reactions, and now today we will study what are the effects of oxidation and reductions, how in daily life oxidation is taking place, some of the major phenomena which are taking place because of oxidation, and we will be studying over here what are the effects. So two major effects which are harming and which are harmful also we will be studying, and these are corrosion and rancidity. So first of all, corrosion. This corrosion and rancidity we will be studying. Now what is corrosion? सबसे पहले आप ध्यान में लाइए कि iron articles which you see, any iron article which is present in your house, like a nail, hammer, iron desk, table, chair, and if you find that if it is kept in moisture, after some time, even a knife, after some time you will find that a brown colored coating is deposited over there if you keep it in moisture after some time. So what will happen, this brown coating, if you do not polish it, this article, and do not prevent it from this phenomena, what will happen, it may damage the whole iron article also. This brown coating आपने सबने देखी होगी, वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ती जाती है. So this coating is known as rusting of iron, and this is an effect of corrosion, this phenomena. So what this corrosion is, this is because of the oxidation process. क्यों? क्योंकि there, what this actually corrosion is, when a metal, any metal, basically few metals are subjected to corrosion, but iron सबसे ज़्यादा है उसमें, and I'll give you names of other metals also. When a metal is attacked by substances around it, such as moisture, उसके आसपास जो भी substances है, like moisture, पानी होगा अगर iron article के, the moisture even present in the air also, acids, etc., it is said to corrode, it is said to form a layer of rusting over it, and this process is known as corrosion. And corrosion of metal you may see in the case of silver metal also. You must have seen silver jewelry. आप थोड़ी देर उसको बाहर रख दीजिए थोड़े दिनों तक, what will happen after use of some time, अगर आप उसको fully protected cotton में और ना रखें, बाहर रख दें, तो the silver, even the silver articles may turn black. वो ब्लैक कलर की कोटिंग जो आ जाती है वो भी कोरोजन की वजह से, बिकॉज इट मे अटैक बाय द मॉइस्चर एंड एसिड्स एंड सब्सटेंसेस प्रेजेंट अराउंड इट, राइट. एंड इवन द कॉपर ऑल्सो गेट्स कोरोडेड, लाइक पूजा यूटेंसिल्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन विच आर केप्ट इन द टेम्पल, इन योर हाउस टेम्पल, वहाँ पर देखिए आप. सो देयर ऑल्सो द दियाज एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स मेड अप ऑफ कॉपर, they also start depositing a layer of corrosion over it. So this is why, because of the oxidation process, because of the corrosion process. Or basically iron articles must be protected by painting and oiling and all such things, and the rusting of iron or corrosion of iron is a very very major serious problem in our country also. And even the bridges and railings and ships, they also get corroded, and every year lot of money and expenditure is there on the replacement of iron articles because they are getting spoiled by corrosion. So this is a serious problem, so we need to take care of it. Then the next is effect of oxidation and reduction reactions are rancidity. अब रैंसिडिटी बहुत सिंपली आप देखिए, आप बाज़ार से नमकीन एंड बाज़ार से मटेरियल्स, फूड आइटम्स जो लाते हैं, द आइटम्स विच आर कंटेनिंग फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स, जो तले हुए होते हैं फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स, लाइक चिप्स एंड फ्राइड थिंग्स, तो आप उन्हें अगर बाहर छोड़ दें थोड़े दिन तक, आप उसको एयर टाइट कंटेनर्स में ना रखें, तो क्या होगा, they'll start giving a characteristic smell, and the taste will also change when they will come in contact with the air. So that is also, the process is known as, because they become rancid, and the process is known as rancidity because they come in contact with the air and their smell and taste change. So this process is they become rancid, and this process is known as rancidity. So what you must do to protect it? वैसे तो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स डाले जाते हैं जिससे वो फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स जो है वो ऑक्सीडेशन के कांटेक्ट में ना आए. सो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स आर पुट अप इन द थिंग्स. अदरवाइज यू कैन कीप देम इन एयर टाइट कंटेनर ऑल्सो, क्योंकि एयर टाइट कंटेनर में अगर आप रखेंगे फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स वाले फूड आइटम्स को तो दे विल नॉट कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द एयर विद द ऑक्सीजन, और ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस स्लो हो जाएगा. राइट. सो थोड़ा टाइम लिमिट बढ़ जाएगा उसका ख़राब होने का, रैंसिड होने का. राइट. देन द चिप्स पैकेट्स विच यू बाय फ्रॉम द मार्केट, दे आर ऑल्सो, आपने देखा होगा फ्लफ़ी से पैकेट्स होते हैं, उसमें गैस होती है. विच गैस इज़ देयर? नाइट्रोजन गैस दे हैव फिल्ड अप. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम रैंसिडिटी. सो रैंसिडिटी के आप ये एग्जाम्पल्स आप कॉमन लाइफ में, अपने डेली लाइफ में देख सकते हैं. सो विद दैट you have to learn definition of corrosion, where you find corrosion examples and how you can prevent them, and definition of rancidity, and what are the things and which gas is filled up in these chips. These all things you have to learn. So with that we finish lesson 1, chemical reactions and equations, and then we will move on in our next video to the other chapter, that is the lesson number 2. Till then, keep learning and keep sharing the video also. Keep liking and subscribing so that other students, I want it for the benefit